I found the suspension bridge. Hooray! Oh, does that sucker move or what?
Destination this morning, Kootenai Falls. Kootenai, I think. No, it's Kootenai. That's a Kootenai River to our right.
For that swinging bridge or that suspension bridge, and what I'd really love to happen is a train would come by. That would be so fun. This would be a perfect vantage point to get a shot of a train. All right, let's soldier on. Got some stairs here, got to negotiate. Okay, this could be fun. And already I came from up there. Okie dokie. Then coming back's going to be an interesting challenge. Okay. I made it down the stairs. Oh boy. Ain't no bears. No bears. Was it worth it?
We got a little bit of a hike yet, but it's worth it.
Okay.
Yeah.
The coming back's what's bothered me. I'm going to try to forget that for the moment.
Yeah.
Okay. Swinging bridge to the left, Kootenai Falls to the right. Would you say it's worth it?
Oh yeah. Go on the bridge.
Okay. Well, so far everybody's been impressed. That was the third person, or the third group that I've met coming back up. I've been on some of these off-road adventures. Oh, you got to stop and see this. You got to stop and see that. And totally wasn't worth it. Oh, I can see water down there. Look at that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that. It's views like that is the reason I'm on this trail. Is it worth the time?
Yeah.
It's a good adventure. I'm looking forward to it. There's my first glimpse of the suspension bridge. Oh, is this beautiful? Is this beautiful? Tell you what, this trail goes up and down and around. All these roots and stones are well polished from tennis shoes. Okay. Seems like about 2 hours since I first spotted the suspension bridge, but no, probably more like about 10 minutes. I'm guessing these two things are the original anchors of the bridge. Cables probably tied to it and went over to the other side. And I'm guessing these cables here, right here, they go like that, is to stabilize it during high winds, because there can be high winds coming through the canyon sometimes a year. Okay, here we go. I've taken out my earbuds so that, oh my goodness, this thing moves. Oh, it is a suspension bridge. Anyway, I took out my earbuds so maybe you could pick up the sound of the river. However, got wind up here. It's blowing pretty good too. Yeah, look down there. And looking down there. Yeah, it moves around a little bit. That's an old custom, I forget what it is, but people leave padlocks where they've been, kind of a way to mark it. Yeah, there's one of the stabilizing cables over there. There's another stabilizing cable over there. Hey, first step on this thing. It's wobbly. But it looks like it's made out of good stuff. Step off it here and not face plant. Made it. A young man gotta do what young men do. The rest of the group was down there. Maybe not totally appreciating the ride. Take it into a pretty solid rock there. Looks like I found one original anchor on the other side. Unfortunately, the wind is right in my face, so I don't know if you can hear the sound of the surf or the waterfalls. Speaking of waterfalls, right there. That water there couldn't wait to go around the rock like this guy did. That noise you hear, if you do hear, is a train. This train track's not 100 yards from here. There's the train I was talking about. Sure would like to be on that bridge going over the railroad tracks and one of them things come by. Howdy. Hello. Hi. There's a beautiful viewpoint right over there. Oh, you can see the waterfalls perfectly. Enjoy. bridge is getting quite crowded now. Lots of people. Getting a lot of video because I don't think I'll ever be back this way again. I want to look back when I'm editing this thing and treasure the moments. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
A little bit nervous with this wiggling going on.
Yeah.
It's stable. Rock and roll, baby. Rock and roll. Well, that's been fun, but now is the time to head back uphill to the parking lot. We're in the forest now, so it's blocking the wind. So I'm hoping this picks up the beautiful, soothing sounds of flowing water. Okay, I've been to the one on the left, swinging bridge. Now I'm going to go to the one on the right, Kootenai Falls. I don't know how you say that. Okay, this trail is much easier to navigate so far. The one to the suspension bridge, mountain goat would feel right at home. This is to the trail to the falls. To the falls, to the falls, to the falls we go. Just about there. To the falls. Get them up close and personal. Looking at the falls. There's a lot of water coming over there. There's a lot of glaciers melting upstream somewhere. Let's see if I can navigate these natural steps. There's a water go up there. Look at this. I don't never mind people in my videos because it gives it perspective what you're looking at. Oh, look at the falls up here. Multiple falls. Cascading in and out. Do not want to stumble here. Why? Why don't I want to stumble? Go for a big swim over there. Ay, ay, ay. This old man's gonna sit a spell. That's what he's gonna do. He's gonna sit a spell. Just look at that. Just look at that. All that water coming off a melted snow cap. Probably up in Canada. Let's see. Which side of the Continental Divide? I think we're on the western side, so eventually all this water will make it to the Pacific. Now, if I'm wrong and we're on the eastern side of the Continental Divide, it'll wind up in the Atlantic, Gulf of Mexico, and then on to the Atlantic. A lot of fresh water. I want to tell you the roar of those waterfalls. I could sit here all day listening to that. All day long, just touch and have a rocks. Mattress, take a snooze. I just keep pointing the camera down. I'm just going to show you the walking surface here. Strange slab rocks. It's really odd. Okay, time to go back on the trail. This trail is much easier than the one going to the suspension bridge. Just an observation. You meet some of the friendliest people on the trail. You say hello and they've got a chipper hello right back to you. People that enjoy nature. Okay, now the stairs going back up. You can do this, Rick. You can do this. I did it. I did it. But I'm breathing. Ooh, like I've been in a boxing match or something or other. I ran the 4-minute mile, which I never did. Trains have been coming around here fairly rapidly. I'm just going to take a few minutes and catch my breath and hope a train comes by. That would be such a cool video. But I'm not going to stay here all day. Well, here's another bucket list item God has allowed me to check off, seeing his beautiful creation. Here at Kootenai Falls, Upper Montana.